From Arctic Research Station to Dubai Refinery. How does steel structure cope with ice and fire? The first is its low temperature toughness. S355NL special steel at -60 degrees Celsius still maintains 27J impact work. Ordinary steel embrittlement fracture. Intelligent expansion node can digest 12 mm, 100 m temperature difference deformation. Expansion type fireproof paint foam 50 times in hot, forming a 2-hour fire resistance limit. Russia's North Pole LNG project measurement. The steel structure module is hoisted in a snowstorm, and the accuracy remains ±2 mm.